Hello students, this is the last session of revision on the chapter fractions and decimals. The question 121 is Neelam's father needs 1 3/4 meter of cloth for the skirt of Neelam's new dress and half meter of for scarf. How much cloth must he buy in all? So clearly this is a question related to addition. Here the cloth required for skirt will be 1 3/4 meter. This is nothing but 7/4 meter. Cloth required for scarf is half a meter. Now the total cloth required, total length of cloth required will be 7/4 plus 1/2. Clearly the LCM is 4, so 7 has to be multiplied by 1, 1 has to be multiplied by 2. We get 7 plus 2, which is 9/4. On conversion into mixed fraction, it is 2 1/4 meters. Question 122. What is wrong in the following addition? 8 1/2 is equal to 8 2/4. 4 1/4 is written as such, and addition is done here. Here 8 plus 4 is written as 12. 2 plus 1 is written as 3. 4 plus 4 is taken as 8. Is this a correct addition? Actually, when the denominators are same, the denominators will be added up. When we consider 8 1/2, it is 17/2. If you consider 8 2/4, this is 34/4. If you divide this both numerator and denominator, we would get 17/2 only. Now if you consider 4 1/4, it will be 17/4. When we add this 17/4 with 34/4, we will be getting 4 in the denominator and the numerator will be 17 plus 34. This will be 51/4. Now if you consider 12 3/8, this will be 8 multiplied to 12 will be 96 plus 3 99/8. These two, they are not the same. So here the mistake is in the denominator, it has to be 4. The equal denominators will retain, only the numerators will be added up. In this case also there is a difference. Let me take a different colored ink. This is nothing but 13/2. This is nothing but 9/4. When we add this 13/2 with 9/4, the LCM is 4. Hence this to be multiplied with 2, this with 1. We get 26 plus 9, which is 35. divided by 4. When we take 8 2 by 6, which is 8 1 by 3, 8 3s are 24, plus 1 is 25 by 4. Here both are not the same. Therefore, the mistake is we must retain the LCM of denominator and numerators to be added up. This is what to be done. Question 123. Which one is greater, 1 meter 40 centimeter plus 60 centimeter or 2.6 meter? When we look at this, 1 meter 40 centimeter plus 60 centimeter, this will be same as 1.4 centimeter plus 0.6 centimeter. Add them up, we get 2.0 centimeter. Sorry, here I have made a mistake. This is not centimeter. When I convert, it is meters. So I get 2.0 meters. One more is 2.6 meter. Compare this with this, we get clearly 2.6 meter larger than 2 meter. Therefore, 2.6 meter is larger than 1 meter 40 centimeter added to 60 centimeter. Question 124 is to match the fraction of column 1 with the shaded or marked portion of the figures of column 2. Let me mention the answers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 1, which figure will hold true? 1 is 6 upon 4, which is same as 3 upon 2. Which is 1 complete, 1 by 2. Here in the option D, we have 1 complete and 2 parts are shaded. If you want to write this particular 6 by 4 in a mixed fraction, we will be getting 1 2 by 4, which is 1 complete and 2 parts out of 4 parts. So for the first one, option D is a right answer. Second one is 6 by 10. You just observe, this is nothing but 3 by 5. Observe figure 1, figure A. Here between 1 and 0 there are 5 equal parts. So this is 5 by 5. Next is 6 by 5. Likewise, here somewhere here we have 3 by 5. When I consider this complete parts, 7 by 5, 9 by 5. Somewhere here we have 10 by 5. This is 7 by 5. This is 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5. So this particular part 3 by 5 is there here. So this they should have marked it. If I mark, option A is the right answer. Look at the third one, 6 by 6. All 6 parts are to be shaded. Here count the number of parts. There are 6 parts in E which are shaded. So 1 and E, they are equivalent. Figure E will represent the third one. Next is 6 by 16. 6 parts out of the 16 parts are shaded. Here count the number of parts. Sixteen parts are there. In that, count the number of shaded portion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are been shaded. So the fourth one and B, they are equivalent. So the right answer for the fourth one is B. Question 125. Find the fraction that represents the natural numbers to the total number of collections 0 to 5. What will it be for a whole number? The fraction represents the natural numbers of the total numbers. 5 by 6. Because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction that represents the number of natural numbers to the total numbers is 5 by 6. Out of these numbers, the whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the fraction that represents the numbers of whole numbers to the total numbers will be 6 upon 6, because there are 6 whole numbers in all these numbers. Similar is the question here in 126. The fraction representing total number of natural numbers in the collection of -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. What fraction will it be for whole numbers? What will be for integers? First let me write the given numbers here. Out of these, I'll identify the natural numbers. Here the natural numbers are 1, 2 and 3. I'll represent the whole numbers among these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and the integers are right from the negative numbers. They are all integers. We have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the fraction which represents the natural numbers will be, there are 3 natural numbers out of the 7. The fraction which represents the whole numbers will be 4 upon 7. The fraction which represents the integers will be 7 upon 7. Question 127. Write a pair of fractions whose sum is 7 upon 11 and difference is 2 upon 11. Here, let me consider one of the fraction. Let one fraction be x. So another fraction will become 7 by 11 minus x. If x is 1, other will be 7 by 11 minus x because their sum is 7 by 11. Now according to the question, their difference is 2 by 11. So I take the difference of these numbers. This is 2 by 11. So x minus 7 by 11. Now this minus of minus x will become plus x, which is equal to 2 by 11. X and x, they are the like terms. 2x will be equal to 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11. We'll be getting 9 by 11. That is 2x 9 by 11. So the value of x is 9 by 22. Once the value of x is obtained, we can find 7 by 11 minus 9 by 22. Here the LCM is 22. So this will become 14 minus 9, which is 5 by 22. So the numbers are 5 by 22 and 9 by 22. Question 128. What fraction of a straight angle is a right angle? Straight angle to right angle means we have to consider 90 degree upon 180 degree. So the fraction is 1 upon 2. And with this question, I end this chapter. Let's take up the next chapter, say data handling, in the next session. Thank you.